started, and it can do. I will not turn. It's too much. And Care Cube is my favorite. It can go like this. Look, it's very speed cube, but some have done not speed cube like this Megaminx. That's 3x3 is a speed cube. All 3x3s are speed cube, but this is not. Look, this is not. But this is, and this is, and this is my 2x2x3. This is my 2x2x3. It's a very easy cube, but some people cannot solve the 2x2x3. This is the hardest cube. This is my hardest cube. But it's not the hardest cube in the whole world. But it can make a checkerboard, and its name is Windmill Cube. Now let's start this cube. I'm not scam. This is my 2x2. I will not scam. It's very difficult to make checkerboard like 2x2x3 too. This is my mirror cube. Mirror 2x2, but it's little bit of different. Look, they are different. Long pieces, big pieces, small pieces, long pieces. See, but it has this cube are not different pieces, but this cube has, but its turning is very good, and it is the mirror. And this cube, my oldest cube. I will not show you just so, and I will not show you the Pyraminx. You see, sorry about this. This, let me show you with the 5. No, there's no 5. Let me show you with the 4. This is my Megaminx. It's very hard name. Look, it can turn like this, and it can turn, but I solve it. My cake! What? Look, it can turn too. Like this. Look. Yeah. This is my barrel cube. Where's the barrel cube? Barrel. Oh, here it is. I got you this too. It will not turn. See? It will. You do like this, then it will do turn. And it can make checkerboard. It's the cake cube, or a barrel cube, or a cheese cube. This is the final cheese cube. I know. This is the what's cake cube. My melon cube, and this is the whale. Yes! Oh no, it's scrambled. Oh, it's not scrambled. And Trivia now.